Top 5 Cooking Research Topics. Cooking at home versus eating out, a comparative study on nutrition and cost. This study explores the differences between home-cooked meals and restaurant food in terms of nutrition, cost, and overall health impact. It investigates whether people who cook at home consume fewer calories, healthier ingredients, and smaller portions compared to those who frequently eat out. The research also evaluates the financial benefits of home cooking versus the convenience of restaurant dining. The evolution of cooking techniques, from traditional to modern culinary innovations. This study traces the historical development of cooking techniques, from ancient fire-based methods to modern sous vide and molecular gastronomy. It examines how technological advancements have transformed cooking, influenced food presentation, and shaped dining experiences. The research also explores how traditional techniques continue to be preserved in different cultures despite modern innovations. Cooking as a form of cultural identity and heritage preservation. This research investigates how cooking serves as a medium for preserving cultural identity and passing down traditions. It examines how recipes, cooking techniques, and food rituals reflect the history and values of different communities. The study also explores the challenges of maintaining traditional culinary practices in a globalized world where fast food and modern diets are becoming more dominant. Exploring the health benefits of fermented foods in home cooking. This research focuses on the growing interest in fermented foods and their health benefits, including improved gut health, immunity, and overall well-being. It investigates how home cooks can incorporate fermented foods, such as kimchi, yogurt, and kombucha, into their diets. The study looks at the nutritional benefits of these foods and examines how educating people on fermentation techniques can promote healthier eating habits and improve digestion. Cooking in the digital age, the impact of social media on cooking trends and habits. This study explores how social media platforms, such as Instagram and TikTok, influence cooking habits, trends, and food choices. It examines how food bloggers, influencers, and online cooking communities shape how people cook at home and the types of meals they prepare. The research also investigates how social media can foster a sense of food community while promoting new culinary practices and challenges. Find more research topics on studycorgi.com.